Good morning, class 3. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will start chapter articles a and the. Before we begin with articles, we'll study about how many alphabets in English. There are 26 alphabets in English beginning from A to Z. And there are 5 vowel sounds. These sounds are A, E, I, O, U are known as vowel, while the rest of alphabet known as consonant. Use of article N. Suppose English. You can see your first blank. English is written here. Mr. Wakas is Jash English teacher. This is your word English. You have to write correct article in front of English. What will be correct article? Correct article N. Now the question arises, why not a or the over here? It is because you see the word English. Now the first letter of the word English, this is E. E is the vowel sound. If the word is beginning with a vowel sound, then we use N. First letter of English is E. So we use article N. Similarly, you can see your blank number 4 orange. After this, you can see your blank number 11 egg. The beginning sound of these words O is a vowel, E egg, E is a vowel. So we write N here. This is how use article N. After this, I am telling you use of article a. For example, you can see your blank number 3 computer. What is the first letter of computer? C. Is this the vowel sound? No. So we use a. Now you can see your blank number 5 taxi. T is the vowel sound? No, this is the consonant. So a taxi, a hospital. When the first letter of the word is consonant, so we use article a. After this, I am telling you, you can see your blank number 16. May I go out for an hour? Now I am writing here N. Why? Why we write here N? Because H is not vowel, so why we write N here? Now I am telling you the reason. There are two words are honest, uniform, unicorn. We don't pronounce it as are honest. We pronounce are honest. This is H is consonant. How we pronounce are and honest? This is H is silent. So we pronounce are honest. So the first beginning sound of O, R. O is vowel. So we write N here because H is silent there. After this, I am telling you A and N are indefinite article because we not talk about particular person, place or thing. Now I am telling you use of the. The is a definite article when we refer particular person, place or thing. In short, we are clear about which person we are talking about, which place we are talking about, and which thing we are talking about. Then we use the. For example, you can see your blank number 5. The Minar-e-Pakistan is in Lahore. Now we are sure we are talking about Minar-e-Pakistan, and Minar-e-Pakistan is in Lahore. So we will write here the. Your blank number 4. I went to see the Shah Faisal Mosque with my parents. Now you will clear about we are talking about which mosque is Shah Faisal. So that's why we are writing here the. I hope you are clear with this chapter. Now I am sharing the picture of exercise of this chapter. Page number 78, page number 79, page number 80, page number 81, page number 82, page number 83. That's it. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.